Hello and welcome. How are you, students? Students, today we are going to do lesson 24. Now, in this session in basic, I am going to take to lesson 30. Then we are going to go to intermediate in both spoken English as well as in English basic, intermediate, and advanced. This is lesson 24. We are going to end the basic very soon. So I hope you've liked my lessons, my sessions also. And if there is any query on any other of the videos, you can let me know. I will again explain you. Now in this session we are not doing transformation of sentences, we are doing words and some sentences. Now I have made some sentences for you. Now these are some of the words I took: daylight, moonlight, mother tongue, maternity, paternity, joy. Okay, you can see the words. Now I have made sentences from it, and these are very simple sentences which even you can make. Okay, the daylight is bright. Very simple. Daylight, the daylight is bright. Okay, it's bright because it is daylight. Moonlight, the moonlight is so nice. The moonlight is so nice. Mother tongue, very simple. My mother tongue is, whatever is your mother tongue. Mother tongue, my mother tongue is, whatever you want to write. Maternity, I am on maternity leave. Very simple sentence. Paternity, I am on paternity leave. Very simple sentences to make. Joy, my joy of the day are my children. Simple sentence. Joy, my joy of the day are my children. So students, I want you, if you want to do a bit of homework, if you want, you can take 5 to 6 words and you can write sentences from this. This is an exercise on words and sentences. I would like you to do that. You can take any word that you want. I took daylight, moonlight. You can take afternoon, morning. You can take words like sweets, oxygen, or trees, something which is related, which you can just write very simple sentences. I don't want you to write very difficult sentences. This is basic level, so we will take very simple sentences. You can see such simple sentences I have taken, and I'm going to do this for the rest of the class from lesson 24 to lesson 30. We're going to do these type of sentences so that you get a practice. So in my next session, again, words and sentences, very simple sentences to start with, and we can go ahead with the words and sentences. Now daylight, if you know the meaning of daylight, daylight means the light that you get in the day. Okay, like afternoon or morning. Moonlight is when the moon comes, which is at night. Mother tongue is your language, mother tongue language. Maternity is when you take a maternity leave. Okay, when the lady takes a maternity leave. Paternity, when the man takes a paternity leave, when the husband takes a paternity leave. And joy is happiness. So these are the meanings of the words. Now understand, when you take a word, you must know the meaning so that you can make a sentence out of it. My advice is to take very simple words which you know and then make sentences out of it. Okay, so that you get a practice. So if you have any questions from you would like me to clarify on this topic only, you can let me know, as I told you. Till then, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.